Before the alarm clock existed in most homes, waking up on time for work was a real problem. Factories ran on strict shifts. Miss your start time, and you could lose a day's pay or your job entirely. So in industrial cities across Britain and Ireland, from the early 1800s all the way into the 1970s in some pockets, people paid someone else to wake them up. That person was called a knocker-upper. Armed with a long, lightweight stick, often made of bamboo, a knocker-upper would walk a set route through the streets before dawn, tapping on the bedroom windows of clients who'd paid a small weekly fee. A few taps, wait for a groggy response, then move to the next house. Some knocker-uppers used a stiffer approach, a pea-shooter, firing dried peas at the glass until someone stirred. Timing had to be exact. Wake someone too early and you've wasted their sleep. Too late and they've missed their shift, and you've lost a customer. Good knocker-uppers memorized dozens of addresses and precise wake-up times, running their route like clockwork, rain or freezing cold or thick industrial fog. It wasn't a side gig either. In heavily industrial towns like Manchester and parts of East London, knocking up was often a full-time trade, sometimes passed down within families. One of the most famous, Mary Smith in East London, worked into her 70s using a pea-shooter, waking up factory workers for decades. So what killed the job? The obvious answer is the alarm clock, but that's not quite right. Affordable alarm clocks had actually existed since the late 1800s. The real ending came slower, as clocks got cheaper and more reliable through the 20th century, and as factory shifts became less rigidly synchronized across entire neighborhoods, the economic need for a human backup system quietly disappeared. By the 1970s, the last known knocker-uppers had retired, and the trade vanished for good. For roughly 150 years, entire towns depended on one person with a stick and impeccable memory, walking the streets before sunrise, making sure the world woke up on time.